In this video, I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here. This meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. This meme coin has potential to be the next Pepe here, and maybe we can see its major centralized exchange listing soon, just like KuCoin exchange can list this coin, and maybe Binance exchange can also list this meme coin. Okay, what is the reason why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here? Why this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here? I will share you full details here. You have to just welcome to and make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. But first of all, I can see Hobby's name 0.3 times $0.16 is current price. Okay, why this meme coin is very amazing? Because you can see in last 14 days price is pumped by 166%. Okay, in last 30 days price is pumped by 949% here. Okay, 949% pump in last 30 days. So this is amazing. If you check out all other meme coins graph and other old meme coins chart in last 14 days and last 30 days, their prices are dumped here because entire crypto market is dumping. But Hobby coins price is continuously pumping here. You can see in 1 hour, 14 hours, 7 days, and 14 days, and last 30 days, price is pumped by almost 1000% here. So this is amazing. Okay, and if you can see $71 million market cap. Okay, $71 million market cap. So market cap is awesome. Last 24-hour trading volume $15.2 million. That's amazing. Okay, 420 billion coin supply, all in circulation. So that's awesome. Coin is working on Ethereum chain. This is a frog theme meme coin. Okay, same frog theme meme coin on Ethereum chain, just like Pepe. They are 16% down. Okay, only 16% down than its all-time high, but 23,000% up than its all-time low. Okay, friends, you can see 23,000% up than its all-time low. So this is amazing. Coin was initially launched with 6 zeros. Okay, you can see coin was initially launched with 6 zeros, but right now Hopi has only 3 zeros. So Hopi has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. Okay, so within just 3 months of its launching, Hopi has killed 3 zeros. So this is amazing. Okay, and still this meme coin has not faced any burn. Okay, very new meme coin. Just 3 months ago, this meme coin was launched, and within just 3 months of its launching, coin has already killed 3 zeros. So this is amazing performance. That's why I already told you that this meme coin can be the next Pepe here. Already listed on MEX exchange. Okay, BylixCXC.com. Okay, there's no Bybit yet, there's no KuCoin yet, and there's no Binance exchange yet. But definitely meme coin has potential because of its good trading volume, because of its decent market cap. Okay, last 30 days performance is awesome. Already killed 3 zeros. Okay, in last 3 months. So this is amazing. These are the reasons. That's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. Okay, and maybe we can see its major central exchange listing soon. On Ether exchange, you can also check out further details here. 11,483 holders. Okay, so number of holders good. Okay, and price is pumped by almost 15% last 24 hours. On-chain market cap is $72 million. That's awesome. So number of holders are also good. 11,000 holders. Number of holders are also good. You can also check out their website here. Friends, you can see a mission to take over the meme universe. The time has come for Hobby to show his greatness. Okay, so they are aiming to take over all the meme coins. Okay, all meme coin industries. Okay, and you can see website is also looking decent. You can see you can also follow this on social communities just like X, Twitter. Okay, you can also track this on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DAX tool. These are the 3 central exchanges, best central exchange by this listed. I think I'm going to soon buy this meme coin on MEX exchange. Okay, until it will list on KuCoin exchange. And first, you can see this is a frog character based on famous comic book The Night Riders, published in 2012 by artist Matt Free. Okay, so this is another Matt Free character meme coin. So this is amazing narrative. That's is as you know, Pepe, Brett, Andy, Land Wolf. Okay, so now Hoppy, these meme coin will definitely perform really amazing because of Matt Free character meme coin narratives. So that's why this meme coin has also potential to be the next big meme coin here. Okay. You can see there's no buying selling test for this meme coin. LP is also banned. Okay, and tokenomics that I already show you. Okay, 420 billion coins almost all in circulation. That is awesome. You can also check out further details on their website. Okay, how you can buy this coin, but because is already listed on too many central exchanges, so we did not need to buy on any DEX. So just now, my price prediction about Hopico is that, okay, its market cap right now is $70.8 million. So this market cap can be converted into 10 to maybe 15 to $20 billion by the end of next year mega burn. Okay, friends. maybe we can see its market cap is, I'll show you, to maybe $20 billion by the end of next year, Mega Bull. Because as I already show you, it's all narrative, it's all amazing things about this Hopi coin. Ace coin has already killed 3 zeros. So in future, maybe this meme coin has still potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin. And still major central exchange listings are left for this meme coin. So when it will be listed on all major central exchanges, then definitely we can see its market cap in $1 billion here. My price prediction about Hopi Coin's market cap is that we can see its market cap up to $20 billion here, and still this meme coin has potential to kill all these 3 zeros also. Okay, as killed already these 3 zeros. Okay, so still Hopi has potential to kill these 3 zeros also. Okay, and be the next 1000x potential meme coin here. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.